I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 30. And our prompts for this week is something that lives in a forest. I've got these bunny rabbits. Although they don't look like they're in the forest right here, they do live in the forest. Handwriting, I've got this old blackberry cobbler recipe that I wrote when I was in high school. I wrote down a lot of my mom's recipes. Wished I'd gotten them all. The next one is a barcode, and I've got a barcode. A black and white photo, I've got this Tim Holtz photo. A math symbol, I've got these two. And the bonus is instructions, so I'm going with this. This is a recipe and it's instructions. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm a day behind since I have been really struggling to get everything done with Junk Journal July, but it has been so much fun. I've really enjoyed doing it. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. here's my finished project. I've got something that lives in the forest. I've got my bunny rabbits. Handwriting, I've got my recipe in the back. A barcode. A black and white photo. Math symbol. And the bonuses instructions, which is the handwriting, which is the recipe. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP30. And y'all have a great and wonderful week. I love y'all. And until next time, bye y'all.